Histogram example. The numbers of miles on the odometer for each of 55 automobiles in the parking lot at NKU were recorded. Describe the information presented in the histogram below. The lowest odometer reading, the smallest mileage on any vehicle, is located where the leftmost rectangle is in the histogram. This is where the blue arrow points. But how wide are the rectangles? Well, from 50,000 to 100,000 is 2.5 bars. So 50,000 divided by 2.5 is 20,000 miles. The width of each rectangle is 20,000 miles. Since the first bar is just half of a rectangle to the left of 50,000, this would have an upper bound or right endpoint of 50,000 minus half of that width of 20,000 for a total of 40,000. Then the smaller endpoint would be 40,000 minus 20 more thousand, which would be 20,000. So the first bar indicates the smallest mileage was between 20,000 and 40,000 miles. Similarly, the largest mileage on any vehicle is where the rightmost rectangle is located, the green arrow. This is going to be between 180,000 and 200,000 miles. The most common value is where the tallest rectangle is located in the histogram. This is where the red arrow is pointing. This is from 60,000 to 80,000 miles. Since the largest value is separated from the other mileages, it is considered unusually large, or it's called an outlier. As far as the shape, the data is roughly symmetric if you ignore the outlier. So it can be called approximately symmetric with a large outlier. So again, the lowest odometer reading is 20,000 to 40,000 miles. The highest odometer reading is 180,000 to 200,000 miles. The most common odometer reading is 60,000 to 80,000 miles. Are there any unusual values? The odometer reading of 180,000 to 200,000 miles was unusually large and is considered an outlier or atypical value. General shape, approximately symmetric with a large outlier.